next presenter is Nataliya Proknevska, and Nataliya is from the Immunology and Molecular Pathogenesis PhD program. And Nataliya's presentation is CD8 T cells and the war on cancer. Is the timer ready? Are our judges ready? Are we ready online? The timer will start when you begin.
Every day, our immune system is fighting to protect us from infections, but is also crucial in keeping cancer at bay. Our lab focuses on understanding how the immune system responds to cancer, and more specifically on CD8 T cells. CD8 T cells are a crucial part of the immune system because they're the soldiers that are actually capable of killing infected and cancerous cells. In previous work from our lab, we have actually shown that the amount of CD8 T cells in a kidney cancer tumor from a patient predicts their survival, with patients with more CD8 T cells in their tumors surviving longer. But unfortunately, that is not the case for all patients. For this reason, my research has focused on understanding where these CD8 T cells are coming from to establish the response within the tumor. And to study this, I have made a mouse model of prostate cancer, which allows us to track T cells throughout tumor growth. And using this model, I've found that CD8 T cells are actually trained in tumor draining lymph nodes. And so lymph nodes are a type of base for the immune system where many different cells are actually coming together to interact. And these CD8 T cell soldiers are now ready to respond, but they are not yet armed. And as you can see here on the left, they're still in the reserve. So what they need to do is they actually need to make their way into the tumor or the so-called battlefield to finish their training. And they can finish their training by going to these generals. And these generals are dendritic cells, a type of antigen-presenting cell that actually shows a piece of the enemy to the CD8 T cell. So it knows specifically what cell to kill. So in this case, the cancer cells. And once these CD8 T cell soldiers have finished their training, they're now fully armed and ready to go, as you can see here on the right. And these are the cells that you want in your cancer because they're the ones that can actually kill the invading tumor cells. So overall, my work has showed how this immune system responds to cancer. And now we know that patients need to have a reserve of CD8 T cells in their lymph nodes, as well as this ongoing interaction in the tumor of the CD8 T cell with these dendritic cell generals. And if you lose these generals, you actually lose a lot of the CD8 T cell response within their tumor. And I hope that this work will eventually lead to new and improved immunotherapy so that more patients will be able to respond. Thank you.